Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to record an audio in EasyNote and give it to your notes very easily. Just open the app, open one of your notes, and then click on this microphone icon right here, and then click on record. This is an explanation video. Click on it again, then it pauses, and then click on the check mark to finish. And here you can see your video. You can click on it and listen to it anytime you want. This is an explanation. Yeah, that's it. Click on the check mark and you see that this note has an audio file as well from now on. I hope it will be useful. Have a nice day.